Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you log in to your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the application, tap to this Get Started button, and after tapping in there, you will get this login option into the top right corner. Tap into login, and after tapping into login, you can choose to enter either your email address or mobile number from this section. Otherwise, you can directly choose between Google, Apple or Telegram account. Just simply select the option which is suitable for you. For me, now I'm selecting Google right here. Just simply select Google or any of the other option and choose your account which you would like to log in. And after selecting your account, you just simply have to confirm by checking your email address, where you will get a confirmation code. Just simply enter the confirmation code into this section. Let me do this real quick. And after entering the OTP or the confirmation code, your account will successfully be logged in. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.